Typically a couple of days for solar panels and battery system, and now heat pumps can also be done in sort of 2 or 3 days. Potentially slightly longer if there's lots of radiators to upgrade in the home or pipe work to upgrade, but it's now a relatively fast install. Typical energy bills are around £1,600 to £2,000 a year. On a zero bill home, your energy bill should be down to zero. Zero bills is zero home energy bills. It covers your heating, your water or electricity use in your home up to a fair use policy. You still have your water bill, your council tax, but your home energy bills can be zero. No, you continue living as normal in your home. We do all the smart stuff in the background to optimise the battery. We will need to look at what equipment you've got in the home. For zero bills, some people are surprised about how much solar is required. So here we have solar panels on both sides of the roof. So if you have an existing system, we might need to add more panels. But an existing battery, you might need a larger battery or a different battery that we can control. So it is dependent on the home.